My name is Johanna Storella, Executive Vice President for Finance and Strategy. The Greater Boston Chamber of Commerce's purpose is to make sure that all businesses and all people thrive. So we are not just focused on a particular industry or a type of business. We want to make sure that there is economic opportunity for all businesses in our region. And partnering with the Health Connector for Business allows us to reach a group of businesses that's critical to the Boston region. Small businesses represent over 50% of our membership, so they're a critical component of not only our membership, but also the Greater Boston region itself. They are the lifeblood of the region. They contribute to new ventures and jobs every year. Cost is always a constraint when you're talking with small businesses. The other constraint that they're running into is talent. We have a really low unemployment rate right now, which is fantastic and what we want to have in this type of booming economy, but it does put pressure on everybody when they're trying to find people to work in their organizations. Health insurance, that's one of the key pieces that people are looking for. It provides a security and safety that a lot of people take for granted when they work in these bigger organizations, that health insurance is just going to be a given. And so small businesses want to be able to provide that sense of security to their employees as well. I would say that the cost of health insurance comes up as a cost concern every time we talk about healthcare. It's the number one concern that is raised by the small business community. Health Connector for Business has created a platform that provides small businesses with access at the quality level that organizations are looking for and at the cost component that they're focused on. So they have provided those three critical components that we want: the access, the cost, and the quality. We have a voice as the Greater Boston Chamber of Commerce and the ability to reach a large marketplace of small businesses. And so bringing together that type of platform and bringing together that voice is only going to be beneficial for the small business community. Providing employees with a choice is important. Every employee is different. They're at different stages in their life. They have different things going on with them. When an employer can provide that type of choice, they're providing the employee with options that are not typically available. You can't even get those sometimes in bigger businesses because you're stuck with either one plan or one type of plan. And the way that the Health Connector for Business is designed, you have that type of flexibility. The other thing that we like about the Health Connector for Business is the knowledge that the employees are going to get. They'll have access to be able to look at everything online, and then they also have brokers available to help not only the employers, but the employees make the good healthcare decisions. We are lucky as a Commonwealth to have the best ecosystem for healthcare in the United States. We have the insurers, we have the hospitals, and we have everything that supports those. But that access has to be balanced with the cost and quality of care that we have. And so those three pieces are a critical component of what we talk about with small businesses. So you can find us on the website at bostonchamber.com. We have an entire resource page dedicated to small businesses.